A good day everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. Now we started off the early morning with cloudy weather over the northeastern parts of the country. And that's because of a high pressure system pushing in moisture from the southwest Indian Ocean right over those areas. And that will result in showers over Mahikeng, Pretoria as well as Johannesburg. We're expecting a mostly cloudy day with light rain over Polokwane as well as the coastal areas of KwaZulu-Natal. It's going to be dry for much of the country with breezy weather expected along the coastal areas of the Eastern Cape. And we're expecting a warm day for the western parts of the country. Now it's going to be fine and dry throughout much of South Africa. Isolated showers are forecast over Gauteng, the bulk of Limpopo, as well as much of the northwest province. And we can see a few sprinkles of rain along the KwaZulu-Natal coast. Now, if you're located near Durban today, temperatures will peak at 23 degrees with partly cloudy skies and light rain at first, because we're expecting a clearing trend during the course of the day. And wind speeds will peak up to 15 kilometers per hour in the east-southeasterly direction. Now, cooler weather is expected for the eastern half of the Republic. Johannesburg will peak at 19 degrees, same with Polokwane. It's going to be warm for Richards Bay with a high of 24. And as we progress into the west, temperatures become quite warmer. Look at that. Kimberley at 27 degrees, 31 near Upington, 29 for the mother city, and a scorching 37 degrees near Vredendal. Now we're expecting an onshore wind component between Alexandra Bay and Namakwaland, where wind speeds will vary between 20 and 25 kilometers per hour. Open ocean swells will reach up to 2 meters and waves will vary between 2 and 4 feet. Then along the southwest coast of the Republic, we're expecting a beautiful beach day near Cape Agulhas, where wind speeds will pick up to 20 kilometers per hour and high tide coming in at 4:45. Then for the south coast regions of South Africa, we're expecting a moderate beach day for Port Elizabeth, and that's because of those fresh winds at 30 kilometers per hour. And we can expect swells to reach up to 2 meters with waves between 2 and 4 feet. Then lastly, for the east coast, we're expecting a moderate beach day all the way from Richards Bay to East London, where wind speeds will vary between 15 and 30 kilometers per hour. Open ocean swells will reach up to 2 meters. Well, that's all for now from the Weather Center. Have a good one.
Know more about your world.
eNCA.com